When I see little kids with big feelings, I'm seeing emotions. A lot of times individuals call them tantrums. I see support. I see what is it that we can do as primary caregivers to help create that safe environment for the children so they can have that safe space, sense of security in order to grow and develop. We need to monitor our children and look at what are their triggers. So as the parent, we support those triggers before it turns to a whining, before it turns to crying. Crying is part of releasing that big feeling that you have. Parenting means patience. Parenting means self-care. And self-care means sometimes you need a break, and taking a break is okay. Parenting is a collaboration of support that we want to do together to enrich our children.